Hello guys, so welcome. In today's video I want to show you guys how to complete your first margin trading on the SEC-IO app. I got a lot of comments from most of my subscribers here asking me to show them how to do this first margin trading on the SEC-IO power tab. Now if you look at this power tab, it's the new tax here that said if you complete this first margin trading, it's going to give you 100,500 watt SEC power token. So quickly, for me to show you guys the tutorial of this video articulately, we are going to be navigating straight into our SEC-IO trading app itself. Now for me to do this video, like I said, I will be on the trading app to show you guys how this is done. So for this video I'll be making use of my browser to show you guys how to do your first trading on the SEC-IO app itself. You can make use of the app, but I'm going to be using the browser extension. I'm making use of Chrome browser, so you can use any browser of your choice if Chrome browser is not working for you guys. So quickly now, first of all, you have to know first of what is margin trading. So along the line, as I show you guys how to do your margin trading, I'm going to be explaining what margin trading fully is. Now first of all, if you want to use Chrome browser just like me, what you just need to do is to just search on SEC-IO on the Chrome browser. Once you search on it, it's going to pop up. Once it loads up, what you just need to do simply is just to log in. Just use your email and your password and it will bring you straight into this place. Now once you head here, you are going to be seeing a lot of options, start saving, staking, all the options that SEC-IO actually have. But what you are going to do is to scroll down, keep scrolling down until you come to this same interface that I am now, which is spot trading. Now once you head to this spot trading, what you are going to do is just click on tap on the arrow that's directing us to the right. So once you tap on the arrow, it's going to head you straight into this place. Now you can see what is written here: your crypto trading platform, start trading now. As you can see guys, SEC-IO currently have $14,535 million trading volume in 24 hours. As you can see above on the top right, the right words, get the app. So you can make use of the app or you can make use of the extension browser, but I want this video to be visible enough for all of us to see and understand. That's why I'm making use of my browser. Now first off guys, if you are seeing this channel for the very first time, do ensure you subscribe, you like, and you comment. Drop me a thank you in the comment section. Give this video a thumbs up so more people can see this video. Let me know the country you are watching this video from, as you guys normally do. Drop your country flag. Let's make the comment section colorful. If you are watching this video from Nigeria, make sure you let me know you are watching from Nigeria and the exact state you are watching from. So let me know where my subscribers are currently. So quickly now, let's go. Now once you head here, what you are going to see is start trading. You tap on start trading. So like I said, I'm going to be explaining what margin trading is, so you can know if you are ready to do this thing, if you are good to go and capable to engage in margin trading. Then you can follow this step-by-step guide and learn how it works. Now for me to actually teach you guys how margin trading work, it's actually extensively long. You understand? So it's something that we have to do like a series on. We have to do a series on long trade, we have to do a series on shorts, we have to do a series on trigger, a series on market. So I have to break it down carefully so you guys can understand. But if you are somebody that is already into trading, I believe you are supposed to understand this. As you're watching this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification button so you get notified whenever I post a video. Now first off, now you can see what they wrote here for us. They say new. Now you can trade with up to 10x leverage, bigger position, bigger opportunity. I can try it now or not, but I'm making a tutorial video, so I just tap on cancel. Now like I said, I want to explain what margin trading is. Now pay full attention and listen. Now margin trading is like you are making use of borrowed funds to trade. Now this is how it actually works entirely. You are going to be depositing an amount, right? For now, you already have the SEC-IO exchange app. You are a partner with them and you are a user. They have currently now, I think they have over 5 million users. So you are among their users, and what you want to do is that you want to make use of their platform. and most especially you want to engage in margin trading. Now it's not something that it's actually entirely free, but it's like a leverage. So margin trading simply means you are going to be borrowing funds from the broker. Now the broker in this case is the SEC-IO exchange, right? So what you are going to be doing here is that for instance, now you are trading, you have a fund deposited actually on the SEC-IO exchange app. That is why I say this video, if I want you guys to understand clearly, it's not going to be something that is going to be just one video, because if I want to do it in one video, it's going to take us an hour, and I don't know if you guys have that time to stay an hour to watch this video. So that's why I say, if you want me to break this video into series after watching this one, quickly indicate in the comment section. Just type into the comment section, just say coach, please break it into series for us in the next video so you can follow and learn how margin trading is. Just quickly type it now as you are watching so you won't forget. Like I was saying, I say margin trading simply means you are going to be making use of the borrowed fund from the broker, in this case SEC-IO trading app. First of all, you are going to be depositing an amount that you want to use to trade. For example, now let's say you borrow an amount, and let's say you have deposited $100 on your SEC-IO trading app. Now most people might not even know how to even deposit into the app. That's why I'm insisting that this ought to be a series. If you want me to make it a series, don't forget to drop it in the comment section, because in that series I'm going to be showing you guys how you can deposit and receive crypto on the exchange. So that is going to be a separate video. Let me just use this one as a tutorial guide for those who have already known how to do it to just follow through. If you're a newbie, then we'll have to do a series on it, so do not forget to drop that in the comment section. Now, like I said again, you are going to borrow funds after you have deposited. Now that's your deposit you made is what is called margin. So it's just like your collateral for other fund. Now if you deposit let's say $100 into the SEC-IO trading app and you want to trade, right? Now they are going to be borrowing you fund. For instance, now you deposited $100 and they are borrowing you a fund of what? Extra $100. That means you have what? $200 in total in your what? SEC-IO trading app. Now you are going to be using that $200 to trade. Either if you are making profit in your trade, that means you are having 2x of your profits. What $100 could have given you a loan, now you are trading with what? $200. So you are making 2x of your initial capital deposited. Are you clear? If you don't understand anything, quickly ask in the comment section. I'm here to guide you guys. So now there are two sides to it. If you make profit, it's a blessing. That means you have 2x profit of your what? Initial capital. If you make a loss, that means you are in debt. You'll be owing the exchange. You are in debt to them already. You understand? So the money is not free. You are going to be borrowing funds. So if you want to engage in margin trading, you need to have fund. It's not free. You get it? So because this is actually business, it's not that you are just playing around. You are going to make money from this. Because there are a lot of people that do margin trading daily and they make money. In a day, you can make $1,000. If you want to play safe, depending if you don't know what you are doing correctly, or you just want to play safe, you can be trading with what? Placing trades to make a profit of what? $50, $20, $30 thereabouts, and you'll be making gradual trades daily, and in a week you can accumulate $500. That is if you actually know what you are doing and you have good trading signal. I hope you guys are clear with what margin trading now is. Like I said again, it's what's borrowing funds from what? The broker, that is in this case SEC-IO, to use it to place a trade using your collateral, using your deposit as a collateral. Now the borrowed fund that they have given you, it's going to give you a leverage for you to make either a much more profit in a trade, that is if it's successful and well gained. But if you make a loss, it's going to be what? A 2x loss. What you would have if $100, if you would have had a $100 loss based on your deposit, now that you have $200 borrowed fund, if you make a loss, that means you have 2x loss. I hope you guys are clear. If you don't understand anything, indicate in the comment section, then let me know. Like I said again, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Let me know the country you are actually watching from, and those of you that have a lot of SEP power in the trading app, let me know how many SEP power you have. I've seen a lot of comments, some people saying they have about 20 million. I think one of my subscriber, I think Aliu, he said they have 20 million. There is this other person from, I think it's from Abuja, I can't even remember the name of the subscriber. I think he said he have 30 million. So if you are seeing this video, just indicate in the comment section. If there's somebody that have much more than those guys, let me know what current level you are on the airdrop, how many SEP power you have. Let's just make the comment section lively. So quickly now, I want to show you guys how this trading is going to work. Now there are different interface here. As you can see guys, we have the buy and we have what, the sell. Now let's say now we have our different pairs. Now let me just scroll down up. Now you can see the pair I'm currently on is what, BTC. You can see guys, I'm not even done with the video and it's already 10 minutes already. Okay guys, so that's why I say I'm going to make this a series, but let me just quickly run this through, and if you want me to make it a series, indicate in the comment section. Now quickly, if you want to run this trade, we have different pairs here, which we have BTC, and we have so if you tap on BTC, if you tap on above here, you are going to see different pairs. So let me just tap on it. If you just tap on it, what you are going to see different pairs currently. So as I tap on it now, this is it. Are you guys seeing? So as I tap on it, you can choose any pair that you want to trade with. So you can see we have BTC USD, BTC UDC. You can just choose any coin. It mustn't necessarily be Bitcoin. You can choose any coin here. So for this tutorial, I want to make use of what, BTC. So you guys can see, right? So now we can see the chart currently how BTC is doing. The current price now is what, $95,000, 286. It is currently increasing, going down, going up at the same time. Now if you want to place a trade to do transaction, what you just need to do is to tap on what, buy. So if you tap on buy, that means you can either be placing a long trade or you place what, a short trade. So in other words, I will actually even need to explain what long trade is and what short means actually. Now what long trade simply means is that you are placing a trade hoping that based on your prediction that the market is going to favor you and hit a much more better price and you will make profit. Now short in trading simply means that you are expecting the market to drop down. Now if you drop down below that price and your prediction is correct, you will make profit from it. That's why I said this actually is going to take us a lot of time to explain this video. Now basically that's what margin trading actually is. You borrow fund and what you trade in the market. Either you long it believing that it's going to increase in price, or you short it believing that it's going to decline. Now once you short or you long, if you make profits, it's going to be times 2x of what SEC IO gave to you as what your leverage. Or if you long it, you make more profit. If you short it, you make more profit. If the market goes in your favor, you make a much more profit. If it goes in your loss, you make a higher loss. Now the good part about all these things is that whether you run at profit or at a loss, after completing this transaction, immediately, because first of all, because if you want to do this trading, like I say, you are going to log into your SEC IO trading app. Are you guys following? So once you have logged into your app, if this trade favors you or it doesn't favor you, as SEC IO have already told you that they are going to be crediting you 100,500 SEC power. So immediately you have done that trade, they are going to credit you instantly, and you are going to be seeing it at your coming soon. If you are following the app, if you have connected it to the Telegram bot, and if you check the trading app, you are going to see that option that says coming soon. So once you check that coming soon, immediately you will see that 100,500 has been added to you. I hope you guys understand this video. That's why I've said that I would love to make this a series for all of us to understand, because to place transaction, I'm going to be showing you guys how to place trades, what all these terms mean. I'm going to break it down. So if you want me to do that, like I said, indicate quickly in the comment section so I can show you how to make transaction and what are the definition of all these terminologies. You understand? Trigger, market, limit order, short and sell, take profit, stop loss. You see, like I said, see, I told you from the beginning, it's a lot. It's actually cumbersome, and we will need to make it a series. So if you want me to make it a series again, indicate in the comment section. And like I said, guys, let me know where you are watching from. Indicate with your country flag, make the comment section colorful. If you are watching this video from Nigeria, let me know you are watching from Nigeria and the actual state you are watching from Nigeria. I know you guys found this video very helpful, so give this channel a subscription, subscribe to this channel now, give this video a thumbs up so more people can see it, and most especially join my Telegram channel, because I'm calculating, once I just want us to hit 1,000 subscribers on Telegram. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers on my Telegram channel, I'm going to be starting a full beginners class on cryptocurrency, where I'll be teaching you what cryptocurrency is all about, how to use different exchange, how to trade futures, I'll be teaching a lot on cryptocurrency. So just quickly join the Telegram channel, and you can share the Telegram channel with your friends as well, so we can learn on the channel. As soon as we hit 1,000 subscribers, the class is going to commence, and you guys are going to we're going to make contributive efforts to achieve that. So quickly, guys, make sure you subscribe to this channel, give this video a thumbs up. Let me know how many self power you have in the comment section. Let me know what level you are in. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you guys.